Did you know there's a bird that boasts the vibrant plumage of a peacock but clucks and struts like a chicken? This isn't a mythical creature, but a testament to the wonders of selective breeding. These captivating birds are not a distinct species but rather hybrid offspring resulting from the union of a peacock and a chicken. This pairing gives rise to a unique and captivating breed that showcases the striking characteristics of both its parents. Despite their exotic appearance, these birds, often referred to as peacock chickens, are chickens at their core. They exhibit behaviors typical of domestic chickens, including scratching for food, dust bathing, and displaying a clear social hierarchy within their flock. Their ability to lay eggs further underscores their classification as chickens, albeit with an extraordinary lineage. The creation of peacock chickens is a testament to the artistry of selective breeding. Breeders carefully select peacocks and chickens with desirable traits, such as vibrant plumage, unique color patterns, and gentle temperaments. Through generations of careful breeding, these desired traits become more pronounced in the offspring, eventually leading to the establishment of a new and stable hybrid breed. The process of selective breeding is a delicate dance between art and science. It requires a deep understanding of genetics, keen observation skills, and an unwavering commitment to preserving and enhancing the desired characteristics. The creation of peacock chickens is a testament to the dedication and passion of breeders who strive to create living masterpieces. Raising peacock chickens presents unique challenges and rewards for poultry enthusiasts. Their temperament can vary depending on the individual bird and its lineage. Some peacock chickens inherit the docile and friendly nature of their chicken parent, while others may exhibit a more independent and aloof demeanor, akin to their peacock heritage. Understanding and catering to these individual personalities is crucial for their well-being. Providing adequate space is paramount for peacock chickens to thrive. They require ample room for foraging, dust bathing, and engaging in their natural behaviors. A spacious coop or chicken run with access to a grassy area is ideal for their physical and mental stimulation. The allure of peacock chickens stems from their exotic ancestry. Peacocks, native to Asia, have captivated civilizations for centuries with their iridescent plumage and regal bearing. Their introduction to different parts of the world through trade and exploration sparked a fascination that continues to this day. The intermingling of peafowl genetics with domestic chicken breeds has resulted in a diverse array of peacock chicken varieties. Each variety carries its own unique blend of physical characteristics and temperamental traits, making them a captivating addition to any poultry enthusiast's flock. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting tales.